Bergamot oil is known for its ability to relieve feelings of stress and anxiety, but it contains properties that can make breathing easier as well. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of this essential oil and how it can be used for boosting the health of your lungs and respiratory system. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, this video is for informational purposes only. Bergamot is a citrus tree that originated in Southeast Asia and produces fruit that resembles a mixture between an orange and a lemon. Throughout history, its fruit juice was used for the treatment of a variety of different ailments. But more recently, it's been formulated into an essential oil supplement that can be used for medicinal purposes. Bergamot contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties, which is exactly why it can benefit your respiratory system. So you may be wondering, how does bergamot oil work? This essential oil can be used in aromatherapy and works as an expectorant, which helps to clear the nasal passages, fight congestion, and provide relief for chronic coughing. This aids in the removal of mucus and phlegm, which removes the bacteria that causes lung infections and ultimately makes breathing easier. Keep in mind though that bergamot oil is not a bronchodilator, so it should not be used as a replacement for albuterol or other prescription medications. As always, please check with your doctor before using or consuming bergamot or any other essential oil, especially if you have a respiratory condition such as asthma or COPD. And just in case you were wondering, this essential oil is usually sold as a supplement and can be purchased from a local pharmacy or from online retailers such as Amazon. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel. Also, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other resources that I think you will enjoy. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to drop a like on this video, and you might as well go ahead and click the subscribe button while you're down there. I would greatly appreciate it. That's it for this one. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.